This is my Arrma Limitless drag car. It's belt driven. I want to see how fast it can go. My satellites are not connecting on my Sky RC, but I got a GoPro on there, so I'm gonna use the GoPro to see, to test the speed. But this is a drag car, so I don't expect too much speed out of it. But I just want to see. That's a belt driven Limitless. Let's see if we can how fast I can get it. Oh, here it come again. Do one more run because I got 12 satellites. Track, start, make show. Make sure it's counting. It's counting. Oh yeah, I'm gonna do one more. I got 12 satellites. I had 0 satellites at first. Let's see what I can do. Here I come. I don't get on full trigger until it go past me. You know, after my little injury, I kind of, you know, want to make sure the car going past me before I full throttle it. Okay, let's see what kind of speed I got. Once this load up. I gotta wait for it to load up, I guess. You can come put it up here on the car for me though. Yeah. There we go. Stop. Read. 83 miles per hour. Belt driven, drag limitless. 6S. 6S, let me see. Thank you. Let's see. Got the 83. They got an XLX2. This is a 5660. It's belt driven. Got the belts. I got GoPro on there. I was gonna use that for my little speedometer. It's running on 6S. Let's turn this off. You know, I got a gyro on here and a perfect pass on here. This is my drag car. I just want to see what kind of speed I can get out of it. So, right here, it say 83 miles per hour on it. Total distance 1965. That's taking it down there, running it, bringing it back. So, this street ain't really that long. It's just really a test street. So, just testing the car out. Just wanted to see what kind of speed I can get out of it. You know, 'cause I was curious. And it's on belts, belt driven limitless. I'm out. Y'all should like, comment, and subscribe, you know, and let me know what y'all think.